Oh, I feel like
all the glass servers lined up on the bench or something. It'd be good to get some shapes.
Do that, find some nice
Okay.
clean beakers.
So they're just your standard
Standard
beakers.
beaker, yeah.
Oh, that's another thing about how we do the labeling system.
On the glasses.
Yeah.
That should be a problem.
Yeah, but how we do it is it like the yeah, but it's drawn to text.
The standard picture. This is for what my labels on the print.
Yeah, no. They have to label.
I'll put the one on the right one. We just flip it the coordinate.
So we provide like a multiple choice, and then if you get or
They won't be writing.
yeah, or there's the option to be able to type, but then that leaves still lots of choice.
If you try, I mean, it's good, but then you have to basically.
Is that a dishwasher?
No, it's an oven.
Oven.
Well, I mean, it can be done.
I just pick one. Maybe this is one.
Just thinking, you know, the time frame and the working role.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just swaps out the.
Like, I mean, does that require a third, a hand coming out, holding it, pointing?
Just do one for places where it is.
But that's the thing, like I'm saying, do we just have it
That's the
floating,
glass
like
thing.
neo-axis where it's fucking doing this?
Nah,
Or
one
do we
of
have, have a hand?
But how you gonna,
Or do we
They're
just
always
float it static?
Pick it up. It's like, alright, have one of those. Yes. You can always prices.
But is it then going to be better if the raycast is 45 so you can sort of like be able to see an NPC like and then go over to something else?
Scraping, so if you like this, suffice that you're on turn rate.
so you're not after a IT.
Lab a bit more sexy with all the CSI type.
Yeah, well, I'll take you next door, which has got all the gear in it,
Yep.
so that you can have a look and you can see what the equipment's like and you get some pictures of those and worked in an area and done some work, then they'll go over to an instrument and they'll get a result out
So
of that.
these are beakers, what's the name?
That's-
And,
That's a pipette.
okay.
So I don't know whether we're going to use these, but these are the things that like we always
Yeah.
tell. Like when I was a kid, you just assume they should label them, yes.
Yep.
But in many instances, what they'll do is just use them and mix and move on.
Hey Zach,
Yeah.
can we run like just a overall glass shader, then have an alpha for these white bits?
Yeah, this is texture.
And then, yeah, okay.
Alright, did you get a picture of the emergency button?
Yeah, I did get that. So that's what.
So
Fire
just
evacuation.
push the button and just get them out, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That's, yeah.
You run cold water. It's like making moonshine.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Just like ball
So do you guys reckon that
It's a no-go, yes. You don't go in there unless you're trying to do your eye wash. Right. So, yeah. And what's that over there?
yeah.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
just
push.
it.
Alright, Oops. Put your face in there.
Student, female student, and a supervisor.
Slightly longer hair. Because or else, if you're a male, you're not going to get the whole tie your hair up.
Everyone maybe should have long hair just because.
I don't think we get the opportunity to use.
LC, so these are probably the two main ones that the students would be interacting with.
Are we going to be using these?
Well, the idea is that, I mean, all they're really going to do is they're going to walk up to it and say, test your sample.
Yeah.
Something like that. Because once they're going to do something, and then it's a question of just walk up to the instrument and then test your sample, and that's the extent of it. And then it'll give you the answer, and that's basically all that is required.
So show us how you do that, Andrew. How do you test the sample? What do you?
Oh, normally what you do is just simply put your sample in there.
You got a small test tube to show us?
These machines aren't cheap. Like these machines isn't cheap.
There's about $1 million worth of equipment in this lab. So just have a little vial like that. But again, I think that probably from a game point of view, it will be sufficient just to walk up to it and there'd be a button.
So what's that worth then, this one?
Juice, that's just a straight juice.
Oh, yes.
And so then this, again, got a couple of those there.
Now, as far as you've got signage up on all the machines,
Yeah.
but, you know, would we have that kind of signage in a working environment?
Yeah, so
Normally not, no. It's
Okay.
because it's in a teaching environment, and we get secondary school students through here where we're teaching them about it. So even for our university students, very rarely would we have the signs up. It's more about when we've been bringing secondary school students through and just showing them bits and pieces about stuff like that.
No worries. Make that information available.
Well, probably not, because I think you have an instrument lab and then they just walk up to an instrument and just walk up to an instrument and test their sample, because there's not a lot of actual hazards associated with doing that. What it's made is what it's supposed to be, purity and all of that sort of thing. So identification and purity is pretty much what this is all used for.
You're going to have to come along with all these pieces of equipment.
Here's the litmus paper. Right.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so if you're testing pH or...
Yeah.
That's that there, is it? Litmus. That'd be litmus, yeah. Paper and blue rolls.
Just
Oh,
on
those ones
paper.
up there, those little rolls.
Yeah. Well, some of them's pH and some of them's...
Like really
Is it?
wondering about
Right.
how we're going to have like the option to pick up a book,
pH is what,
put
the
it
acidity, is
down,
it?
Yeah.
pick up a glove, put it on, decide to go take it off, drop, take it off, drop.
I'll work out the best way of tackling it. Yeah.
This is the one like low cell.
yeah, it's for some of the samples when you want to do an analysis in a very, very quick film.
I was sort of
We've got it out and doing an analysis.
it's actually got rather
Yes, this is very
Yeah.
film. Right, so
walk
there's
up to it
it's a
and
compression
come up
cell.
with a
So basically,
complicated
just
one
watch
of
it,
change
tons of
the
pressure or whatever, and then gives you a
maybe
nice line.
and just
Wait,
animation change.
So that's
Use one to screw that
And
down.
then those-
Oh, there's a